the Maharaja Sheldon Harkey, Royal Supreme Ruler and all-around nice guy, shall receive for his birthday his weight in diamonds as a gift from his subjects.
Sheldon, look at yourself. Skin and bones. Listen to your mother and eat.
I'm sorry, Mama.
You're sorry. I lose 50 pounds of diamonds because you're skinny and you're sorry.
But, Mama, I'll do anything.
Then eat. There's one thing that'll fatten you up by tomorrow. I brought you a rare Oglebird egg from Australia.
An Oglebird egg? Yeah, I could never eat such a thing.
You don't love your mother.
Oh, Mama, I'll do it. Don't cry. I'll get fat, you'll get diamonds.
Oh, Sheldon! Oh, you're such a good boy.
Mama, you're hiding me. Ma, you're hiding me!
I love to talk to the animals. It's incredible chatting with a chimp in chimpanzee. To sit and natter with a tiger, chatter with a cheetah. That's a neat achievement, you'll agree.
If I could talk to the animals, learn their languages, I would be the greatest man on earth. If I could only find a teacher, I would reach each creepy creature, then think what Scurvy's empire would be worth.
I can converse in polar bear and python.
Yeah, he can curse in fluent kangaroo.
If people ask me, can you speak rhinoceros? I say, of course, and do.
If I controlled our four-legged friends and all the universe, what a wicked place the world would be.
But until then, only Dolittle talks with the animals.
He grunts and he squeaks and he squawks with those animals.
And they can talk to me.
Well, we have just passed into the Indian Ocean. We have? Well, it looks the same as the one we just left.
That was the Pacific.
Well, if you've seen one ocean, you've seen them all.
I must be going nuts. I think I see a big bird surfing in the middle of the ocean. I see it too. We're both nuts.
Extraordinary. An Oglebird.
What's an Oglebird, sir?
A rare, distant cousin of the ostrich. Wow! Go, man, go!
Ride that pipeline.
That's certainly quite a feat. How'd you do it, sir?
Teamwork! Thanks for the lift, Willie. Anytime.
Wow, what a crazy surfboard.
Dr. Dolittle, I presume?
Why, yes, I am. And you are...
Orin Oglebird from Australia. I'm here on behalf of O.O.P.S.
Did you drop something?
Oh, no. That's the name of my organisation. O period, P period, S period. O.O.P.S, the Oglebird Offspring Protective Society, formed to prevent the Oglebird from becoming extinct.
I see. O.O.P.S protects Oglebird eggs. Well, I understand there are very few of them left.
Only one, Doc.
That is very serious.
Well, it's more serious than that. We don't even have it anymore. Just last week, some lady Maharaja sent an expedition to Australia and they stole it.
The last Oglebird egg in existence? What for?
She's going to give it to her son to fatten him up. That's why I'm here.
And you'd like us to help get the egg back?
How can we do that, Doctor?
We shall go to the Maharaja's palace at once.
So Dolittle is going to India.
We going too, boss?
Sure. And this time we'll capture Dolittle, and he will teach us the secret of talking to the animals.
How will we ever sneak into the palace?
We will simply walk through the gate posing as honest salesmen.
But what have we to sell?
I have recently perfected the greatest thing in the history of electronic wizardry. Notice, if you will, my latest invention, the remote control levitational device, 2 years in the making.
You probably took a year just to think of that name. What does it do, mon ami?
Observe. I simply point and press the up button.
Sacré! That is against the law of gravity.
Yeah, and you know how I love to break laws. The Maharaja will want this so badly, he will gladly trade for the Oglebird egg. Once I got the egg, I'll get Dolittle.
What does the other button do?
Don't touch that!
Oh, that was the down button, Scurv.
Give me that!
Sure, Scurv.
Sir, I must see the Maharaja.
No one gets in to see the Maharaja.
But this is Dr. Dolittle.
Dr. Dolittle?
Sir, if I don't get in before the Maharaja eats the Oglebird egg, something terrible may happen.
Oh, my badness. I mean, my goodness. A doctor? Oh. Well, don't just stand there. Come in, doctor, come in. Follow me. Gangway! Gangway! The doctor's here. Make way for the doctor. It's an emergency.
An emergency? But I didn't even know. I mean, who's the sick person?
Don't worry, Highness. The doctor will save you.
Me? Save me? Well, how come no one told me I was sick even?
You're not sick, Sheldon. Such a thing. Who said such a thing?
The doctor said it. If His Highness ate the egg, something terrible would happen.
I meant to the egg, madam. You have the last Oglebird egg in the world. And if His Highness eats it, Oglebirds will become extinct.
If he doesn't eat it, we'll be broke. Guards, throw him out.
Wait a minute, or a second even. Dr. Dolittle, this is very nice you came because I always wanted to meet you.
Nice. He takes food from your mouth and diamonds from me. That's nice.
It's not nice or anything, but since you are the famous Dr. Dolittle, you're welcome here.
Sheldon, get rid of this person.
Yeah, Mama. I'm sorry, Doctor. You're no longer welcome here.